In other news now, the world's richest man, Elon Musk, is leaving his government role as a top advisor to President Trump after spearheading an overhaul of the federal workforce. When he came on board, Musk originally pledged to cut up to $2 trillion from the annual federal budget, but the actual number is far less.
Invited to stay as long as you want. At some point, I guess he wants to get back home to his cars.
Stay as long as you want. That's what President Donald Trump told his once close confidant Elon Musk. But it seems the Tesla chief has not taken the president up on his offer. Announcing his exit as a special government employee on Thursday, after his scheduled 130 days were up, Musk thanked President Trump for the opportunity while reiterating that the mission of Doge will continue despite his exit. While Musk's role was temporary, there were speculations galore on whether the billionaire will stick to the legal deadline. His quick and unceremonious departure comes a day after he criticized Trump's Big Beautiful Bill, which proposes multi-trillion-dollar tax breaks and a boost to defense spending, calling it disappointing. In the past 5 months, Musk made some big claims about Doge's work. From allegedly having saved $160 billion through mass layoffs, eliminating what he called crazy diversity contracts and cutting global aid programs. Yet, reports suggest only $61.5 billion has been itemized publicly, with only $32.5 billion having supporting documentation. Certain studies also suggest Doge's action will cost American taxpayers $135 billion this fiscal year. Musk proved to be a turbulent force in Washington, clashing in private with Trump's cabinet-level officials, while stoking controversy abroad over election interference and facing mass protests at home. With Musk and Tesla facing the brunt of escalating political blowback, President Trump even stepped in with face-saving showcase on the White House lawns. Despite appending several federal agencies, Musk ultimately failed to deliver the generational savings he had promised. Moving away from full-time politics, Musk has many challenges ahead, from trying to win back investors' confidence to overcoming the failure of SpaceX's latest launch. For now, the tech billionaire is back to selling the future. Disha Bagchi, NDTV World.